Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your math period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your book, page number 33. So we are on page number 33, beta, and here we have exercise 2D. Write today's date and day over here. So let's begin. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Part number A. 2, 3, 5 are prime factors of dash. Now we will check by multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 2, 3, 5 are prime factors of 30. Part number B. The prime factors of 41 are 1 and 41 is a prime number. So its prime factors will be 41 are 1 and 41. Okay, we know the prime number. Prime number are those number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So prime factors of 41 are 1 and 41. Part number C, there are dash prime factors of 58. Now let's find out the prime factors of 58. So we will find out the prime factors of 58 by division method. 58 is an even number, so we will start division with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. We will put a small 1 with this 8. It will become 18. So 2 9s are 18. Okay. 29. Now 29 is a prime number. It will come only in its own table. So 29 ones are 29. Now the prime factors of 58 are 2 and 29. How many? 2. There are two prime factors of 58. Now part number D, bete, the prime factors of 10 are dash and dash. Yes, the prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now number E, prime factors can never be a dash number. We have studied yesterday, na, prime factors can never be composite number. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. A, the prime factor of a number divides the number completely. Yes, this is true. Part number B, the prime factors of 100 are 2, 3, 5, 5 and 10. Let's check by multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150 and 150 into 10, 1500. So this is false. Part number C, a factor tree is used to find prime factors. Remember the factor tree? Yes, this is true. Part number D, prime factors of numbers are prime numbers. Yes, this is true. Part number E, 2 is the only prime factor of the number 6. 2 is the only prime factor of number 6. No, 2 3s are 6. 2 is a prime number and 3 is the prime factor. So this is false. Now question number 3, select the correct answer from the given options. Part number A, 3, 3, 3 and 5 are prime factors of. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are 135. So in the option, yes, this is 135. So this is the correct option. Part number B, the prime factors of 110 are 5 into 11, 11 5s are 55. So it will no. Then 2 5 and 11, 11 5s are 55 and 55 2s are 110. Yes, this is the correct option. Part number C, the prime factors of 50 are 2, 5 and dash. The prime factors of 50 are 2, 5 and dash. It means first we will multiply 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So in the option we have 5. Yes, this is 5. The prime factors of 50 are 2, 5, 5. Part number D, the prime factor is always a prime number, a composite number, the smallest factor, the biggest factor. The prime factor is always a prime number. Good. Turn the page. Part number E, prime factorization means dividing the number into two parts, finding the product of the number, multiplying the number with prime numbers, breaking a number into prime factors. Yes, prime factorization means breaking a number into prime factors. Now come to question number 4, bete. Draw factor trees to show the prime factors of the given numbers. Part number A is 15. So we have to draw a factor tree to show the prime factors of 15. So we will write like this, 15, and we have to make two branches. So 15 is an odd number or even number? This is an odd number, so we will start with 3. Say the table of 3 to get 15. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So we will write 5 here. Now 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So it means that our question is solved. These are the prime factors of 15. So we will write 3 and 5. Okay. Now let's see part number B, 20. So we will write like this, 20, and 20 is an even number or prime odd number. 20 is an even number, so we will start with 2. Now see the table of 2 to get 20. Yes, 2 tens are 20. Now here 2 is a prime factor, but 10 is a composite number, so we will further divide it into prime factors. Okay, now 10 is an even number, so we'll start with 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, so it means this is end of our question. So the prime factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now let's see part number C, 14. So 14 is an even number. We will start with 2. Say the table of 2 to get 14. 2 sevens are 14. So we have 2 here. This is a prime number. We have 7 here. This is also a prime number. So the factors of 14 are 2 and 7. Okay. Let's see part number D, 8. 8 is an even number. We will start with 2. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 is a prime number, but 4 is a composite number. So we will further divide it into two numbers. Now 2 2s are 4. So 2, 2 and 2, these all are prime factors. So the factor of 8 are 2, 2 and 2. Okay. Let's do one more part, that is part number H, 27. 27 is an even number or odd number? This is an odd number. So we will start dividing with 3. Say the table of 3 till you get 27. Yes, 3 9s are 27. Now 9 is here. 3 is a prime number, but 9 is a composite number. So we will further divide it into two factors. 9 is an odd number or even number? 9 is an odd number, so it will be divided by 3. Say the table of 3 to get 9. 3 3s are 9. So now all 3's we have, and 3 is a prime number. So the prime factors of 27 are 3 3 3. Okay, 3 3 3, right? So beta, in this way you will complete question number 4. Now come to question number 5. Draw as many different factor trees as you can to show the prime factors of these numbers. So these are the numbers and you can make different factor trees for each number. For example, let's see part number A, 40. So we have written 40 here. Now 40 is an even number, so we will start with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros are 0. 2 and 20. 2 is a prime number, it means it is stopped here, but 20 is a composite number, so we will further divide it. 20 is also an even number, we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 10s are 20. Now 2 is a prime factor, but 10 is a composite number, so we will further divide it in this. 10 is also an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now we have 2 and 5, and these 2 and 5 are prime factors. Now what are the prime factors of 40? 2 2 2 and 5. Okay, now let's try another factor tree of 40. At this time we start with another number other than 2. So can it divide it by 3? No. Can it be divided by 4? Yes. So we will start with 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 0 is 0, 4 10s are 40. Now both of these are composite numbers. So we will further divide these numbers. 4 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 and 2 are prime factors, it means it is stopped here. Come to this part 10. 10 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. So 2 and 5 are also the prime factors. So here in this case, we have got these prime factors of 40, that is 2, 2, 2 and 5. Say these are same, 2, 2, 2 and 5 and 2, 2, 2 and 5. Is there any other prime factor tree we can make for 40? Yes, let's see. Now we have started with 2, we have started with 4. Now after 4 we will check it by 5 because at the unit place there is 0, so it will be divided by 5. 5 8s are 40. So 5 is a prime factor. It is stopped here, but 8 is a composite number, so it will be further divided. 8 is an even number, so we will start with 2. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 is a prime factor, but 4 is a composite number, so we will again break it up. How we can break it up? 2 2s are 4. Okay, so in this case, how many factors we have? Again 5, 2, 2 and 2. Alright, so there are 3 methods of making factor tree of 40, right? So in this way, bete, you have to draw all possible factor trees of these numbers. Okay, complete exercise 2D from question number 1 till question number 5. Question number 1, 2 and 3 will be done in the book, while question number 4 and 5 you will do in your copy. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.